Hi, my name is Julio Rivera. I'm an activist, journalist, adventurer, veteran, television presenter, and businessman. I've covered many of the major historical events going on around the world over the past several years, and after watching regime changes, conflict, and historic elections globally, I've come to the conclusion that the most underreported crisis in the world today can be defined in only one word: malware. That's why I've decided to dedicate my time to educating people everywhere and exposing the dangers that exist on the devices that we've become tethered to and depend on for so many reasons in our day-to-day life. Welcome to This Week in Malware. On This Week in Malware, we'll be covering SafePay Ransomware encrypts victims' files and demands, a ransom for data restoration. Hentyra.co is an adult-oriented website associated with intrusive ads and redirects. And Moviesjoy is a movie streaming service containing potentially harmful or unlicensed content that is illegal to obtain. SafePay Ransomware is a highly sophisticated cyber threat designed to encrypt critical corporate data and extort businesses by threatening to leak stolen information. Unlike traditional ransomware, which solely encrypts files, SafePay also exfiltrates sensitive company data, using it as leverage to demand payment. This double extortion tactic forces victims to either pay up or risk a public data breach that could damage their reputation, finances, and legal standing. How SafePay Ransomware spreads and works. SafePay Ransomware operates in a multi-phase attack designed to maximize damage and force compliance with ransom demands. It primarily targets businesses through various attack vectors. Here's how it spreads and operates. Exploiting security misconfigurations. Attackers identify weaknesses in network security, such as exposed RDP ports, unpatched vulnerabilities, and outdated software. Phishing emails and malicious attachments. Carefully crafted emails trick employees into downloading malware-laden files, initiating the ransomware infection. Compromised software and exploit kits. Threat actors may bundle SafePay ransomware with pirated software or use exploit kits to infiltrate corporate networks. Data encryption and file renaming. SafePay ransomware encrypts critical files, rendering them unusable. Encrypted files may receive a new extension indicating the attack. Data exfiltration for extortion. Before encryption, SafePay ransomware steals high-value data and uploads it to a remote, secure server controlled by the attackers. The stolen data can later be sold on the dark web or used for additional blackmail. Ransom note and threats. A ransom note is dropped onto the system informing victims of the breach and encryption. The attackers demand payment in exchange for the file decryption key, the promise to delete stolen data. Preventing the public release of confidential business records. Victims are given 14 days to initiate contact through a Tor-based communication channel. If they fail to comply, a blog post with a 3-day countdown is published, warning that stolen data will soon be leaked. How to remove SafePay ransomware. Signs of infection include inaccessible files, unusual system slowdowns, and the presence of a ransom note. To eliminate SafePay ransomware, immediately disconnect affected systems. Isolate the infected device from the network to prevent further data theft or encryption. Identify and terminate malicious processes. Open Task Manager and end suspicious tasks related to SafePay ransomware. Use a reputable malware remediation tool. A powerful anti-malware solution can detect and remove SafePay ransomware and its associated threats. How to protect your business from SafePay ransomware. To prevent ransomware attacks, like SafePay ransomware, businesses should implement the following cybersecurity measures. Regularly update and patch systems. Keep operating systems, applications, and security software updated to eliminate known vulnerabilities. Backup data securely. Maintain offline, encrypted backups stored separately from the main network. Employ a powerful anti-malware tool. A trusted security tool provides real-time protection, detects ransomware behavior, and blocks unauthorized data exfiltration. By proactively securing systems and adopting robust cybersecurity defenses, businesses can prevent SafePay ransomware attacks and protect their data from cyber extortion schemes. Hentyra.co is a deceptive website that may trigger unwanted redirects, pop-ups, and potential malware infections. Users who encounter Hentyra.co redirects often find themselves on scam pages, phishing sites, or even dangerous domains that distribute adware, browser, hijackers, and other forms of online threats. While it may appear as just another annoying ad-filled site, its true purpose can be far more dangerous. Leveraging user vulnerabilities, collecting browsing data, and tricking people into downloading unwanted software. These redirects are not random. They often occur due to adware installations, unwanted browser extensions, or compromised websites that redirect users onto unsafe web pages. If you frequently find yourself redirected to hentyra.co, it may lead you to a number of potential security issues. How hentyra.co redirects work. Once a user encounters hentyra.co, the website tends to initiate redirect loops, pushing visitors toward unreliable content, such as fake giveaways and prize scams. The site may display fake messages like, "Congratulations, you've won a new iPhone," to lure users into submitting personal information. Phishing pages. Some Hentyra.co redirects may lead to sites impersonating banking portals, email logins, or cryptocurrency exchanges, aiming to steal sensitive credentials. Tech support and fake virus alerts. Users may see pop-ups claiming, "Your system is infected," urging them to call a fraudulent tech support hotline that demands remote access or payment for bogus services. How Hentyra.co redirect reaches systems. Users typically experience Hentyra.co redirects due to one or more of the following causes: adware or PUPs. Unwanted browser extensions or hidden adware programs may be installed unknowingly, hijacking browsing sessions to generate ad revenue for scammers. Compromised websites. Clicking on an unreliable ad or opening a potentially harmful website can force a redirect to Hentyra.co, exposing the user to further risks. Bundled software installations. Some free programs downloaded from unverified sources come with hidden components that trigger redirects, pop-ups, or browser hijacking. Fake CAPTCHA verification scams. Users may be tricked into clicking allow on a fake CAPTCHA test, granting notification permissions that bombard them with unwanted ads. Dangers of Hentyra.co redirects. Although Hentyra.co itself doesn't directly install malware, the redirects it initiates may pose certain security risks, including potential data theft and privacy violations. Users may get redirected to phishing sites that collect usernames, passwords, banking details, and personal information. Possible malware and ransomware. Infections. Redirects can lead to malicious downloads that install Trojans, keyloggers, or ransomware. Financial scams and unauthorized transactions. Pop-ups may expose users to fake tech support scams that trick people into paying for fake security software or granting cybercriminals remote access. How to stop and remove Hentyra.co redirects. If your browser frequently redirects to Hentyra.co, follow these steps to remove the underlying cause. Uninstall suspicious applications. Open Control Panel Windows or Applications Mac and remove unknown software installed recently. Clear cache and cookies. Removing stored data helps get rid of tracking scripts that may cause further redirects. Use a reputable malware remediation tool. Run a full system scan with an advanced anti-malware program to detect and remove hidden threats. How to prevent Hentyra.co redirects and similar threats. To avoid dealing with redirects, adware, and browser hijackers, follow these best practices. Avoid downloading software from unverified sources. Always install applications from official developer websites or trusted app stores. Keep software and browsers updated. Patch security vulnerabilities to prevent exploits that may trigger redirects. Employ a reliable security application. A trusted anti-malware solution can provide real-time protection, blocking Hijackers.co redirects and other cyber threats before they compromise your system. By staying vigilant and using strong cybersecurity defenses, you can keep your browsing experience safe and avoid being tricked by redirect scams like Hijackers.co. Moviesjoy is a free online streaming website that allows users to watch movies and TV shows without a subscription. While this may sound appealing, Moviesjoy operates in a legally gray area and is notorious for bombarding users with intrusive ads, pop-ups, and redirects. Unlike reputable streaming platforms, Moviesjoy relies on aggressive advertising networks to generate revenue. Clicking on ads or even just visiting the site may expose users to adware infections, browser hijacking, and deceptive scams. How Moviesjoy ads work. The Moviesjoy website is designed to serve unregulated advertisements, which can have a range of negative effects. Pop-ups and redirects to potentially harmful websites. Users attempting to watch content may be redirected to fake security alerts, adult content sites, or phishing pages. Some pop-ups trick users into downloading fake software updates or clicking on scam notifications. Push notification scams. Moviesjoy may display a click allow to watch prompt, which actually enables browser push notifications. Once granted, these notifications may flood users with deceptive ads and scam messages. Adware and potential malware risks. Some ads on Moviesjoy may trigger automatic downloads of adware, spyware, or even Trojans. Fake HD video player updates or download links for Moviesjoy apps could also contain malicious files. How users end up on Moviesjoy and why it's risky. Moviesjoy is accessible via search engines, but users can often land on the site through misleading ads, social media posts, or fake streaming recommendations. The risks include illegal and copyrighted content. Moviesjoy hosts content without proper licensing, making it legally questionable in many regions. Users streaming copyrighted content may violate digital piracy laws, leading to potential legal issues. Excessive advertisements and security threats. The platform's reliance on low-quality advertising networks increases the chance of malvertising and phishing scams. Fake movie streaming links. Some Moviesjoy pages contain Watch Now buttons that redirect to fraudulent services, requiring users to enter credit card details for access, which is a clear scam. Potential adware installations. Frequent exposure to Moviesjoy ads may lead to unwanted software installations. Further exposing users to unvetted content. Browser hijacking and unwanted extensions. Some pop-ups may force users to install browser extensions that could modify search settings and track online activity. Potential exposure to malware and ransomware. Clicking on the wrong ad could also result in a hidden malware download, infecting the system with spyware, Trojans, or even ransomware. How to stop Moviesjoy ads and remove unwanted programs. If your system is experiencing Moviesjoy pop-ups, redirects, or unwanted notifications, follow these steps. Disable unwanted push notifications. Go to browser settings, navigate to site permissions, and remove Moviesjoy from the allowed list. Remove suspicious browser extensions. Check your browser's extensions or add-ons menu and uninstall unknown plugins. Clear browser cache and cookies. Deleting stored website data can remove tracking scripts that enable aggressive advertising. Use a reputable malware remediation tool. Run a full system scan with an anti-malware solution to detect and remove adware, spyware, and other potential threats. How to protect yourself from adware and unwanted redirects. To avoid questionable streaming sites like Moviesjoy, follow these practices. Use legal and verified streaming services. Stick to trusted platforms like Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, or Amazon Prime. Avoid clicking on suspicious ads and links. Be cautious with social media links or free movie promotions. deploy a reliable security tool. A trusted anti-malware program can block Moviesjoy ads, detect threats, and prevent future infections. By staying cautious and using proper cybersecurity tools, users can protect themselves from the dangers associated with Moviesjoy ads and similar streaming scams.
You know, as I think about the dangers that exist online, not unlike the subjects we learned about in this video, I know I feel a lot better having an anti-malware program like Spy Hunter installed in my PC, providing me the protection I need against malware, and I think you should too. Spy Hunter 5's strongest features are found in its malware repair capabilities. Spy Hunter 5's remediation algorithms dive deep into your system to remove and address complex malware issues affecting PCs today. While many anti-malware products only flag and quarantine malware and ultimately fail to fully remediate the root problem, the Spy Hunter 5 remediation algorithm detects, quarantines, and programmatically repairs malware problems on your PC. Spy Hunter 5 is a powerful PC utility that repairs malware threats in many cases where other competing anti-malware and antivirus programs may fail. To detect and remove malware for free, go to enigmasoftware.com and download Spy Hunter today. Thanks for watching.